I'm on a mission of creating a team of elite traders all over the world. And if you're one of those who'd like to be on the list, you're in the right channel. That being said, my name is Rocky Calvin, and I'm a trader. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the hidden cost of overtrading. The notes I'm deleting are for previous video of the psychology of losing trades, a very important video. It's just right here in the channel. You guys can go and check it out. It will open your minds to exactly how losing trades often occur, and what leads to them and how you can avoid them and so on. So in this one, we're going to be talking about the hidden cost of overtrading. Now, overtrading isn't just about losing money. It's about losing clarity, patience, and control. Now, the best traders know that trading less with precision often means earning more, but amateur traders often think that trading more is earning more, which is complete opposite of the reality of trading. So in this lecture, we're going to be talking about transactional cost of overtrading, the psychological fatigue, the same effect of overtrading, risk of diluted setups, and capital erosion and opportunity cost. So on the first glance, overtrading may look like ambition, whereby more trades, more chances to win, but beneath the surface, lies the series of hidden costs of that drain both your capital and your mental age, and I want us to break them down. If we start with the transactional cost, now every trade carries a spread, a commission, and a slippage. By now, I'm very sure you're aware of that. And a trader who takes 50 trades a week versus a trader who takes 10 will inevitably see larger chunk of profits eaten away, sometimes without even realizing it. And this being said, let me give you guys an example. There was a time I was trading Forex market. That is the Euro, USD, GBP, GBP, USD, those Forex, pairs and so on. And it was on a pro firm actually, and it came a time when I was trying to look at the commission which have been deducted during my early stages of trading. And guys, I realized that at some point my commission would be like up to 4% of the capital I was given. And I was really sure, like, what, like 4% of my capital just went to commission? And you know why that was happening? Because of overtrading. And I was also trading with my stop loss is always tight. So the higher the lot size you use, the bigger the commission is gonna be. Okay, so if you understand what I'm talking about, the higher the lot size, the higher the commission you're gonna pay. So because I use higher lot sizes because my stop loss is always too little, because I have some rules, in my entries and so on. That being said, I know I promised that I'm gonna teach you guys about some of my secret, mathematical side of trading, but believe me, that's not exactly what you need right now. I know most traders often jump from one strategy to another, and maybe you're thinking that maybe there's some new shiny object, but I'm trying to create a team of elite traders, and I want to start with the psychological side of things. I don't want us to jump into strategies, because strategies, believe me, is not the problem. It's not the problem at all. So that being said, I would realize that I'd be having like the deduction on the commissions up to 4%. And I was like, this is crazy. And that's some of the reasons why I jumped from trading forex pairs to indices. Nowadays I'm so much of a Nasdaq guy and gold, and but still means that I can still trade those other pairs very conveniently. But I just also for the sake of price action, I think indices give better price action than them. So that being said, the more trades you take, understand that it carries the spread, commission, and slippage. So meaning that you're gonna be suffering more. The more you take, the more you suffer in trading. Now, when you go to psychological fatigue, overtrading is mentally draining. like constant entries, exit, you create decision fatigue, and lowering the discipline and increasing emotional trading. Now, this exhaustion makes traders chase losses, break rules, and even ignore strategies. And that's just it. When you're constantly thinking and about entries and exit and making decisions, and it's just psychological fatigue. So why not conserve your psychological power to make clear and purposeful decisions whenever you're in the market? And when there's no opportunity, you just say, no, I'll wait for the next day. I'll wait for the next session. It doesn't have to be this trade, because that one trade can wipe your whole account, can wipe and take away everything you've worked so hard for so long. When you talk about the risk of dilated setups, every small loss always compound quickly. And you'll not realize this until it is too late. So overtrading accelerates drawdowns and makes recovery even harder, sometimes leading to account blow-ups, because you will not see it. You just see, okay, that was just a simple loss. That was just a mistake. Let me get back in. Then another one. That's just, guys. These are things that have happened to me. I'm talking about when I speak of this thing, I'm speaking about these things that I know affect traders. They've affected me. Then you keep on taking another trade, another trade, another trade. Before you know it, the account is in deep drawdown. Then now you feel like, I'm bored of this account. Whatever happens, happened. Desperation kicks in. Then boom, you blow the account. And you buy another one. You repeat the same mistake over and over again. You buy another one, repeat the same mistake. Another one. With the hope that a magic is going to happen when you keep on repeating the same mistakes. Guys, I'm not here to sugarcoat things or now to make you feel like, I'm here to tell you the truth, because only the truth is going to set you free. Only the truth, after you realize the problems that you're dealing with in trading, that is what is going to change you to become a better trader. Because trading is hard. Let nobody tell you that, yo, I just made this amount of money. It's easy as ABC. They're lying to you. They're not showing you the behind the scene of how much stress they're going through when that position is on. They're doing that because they want to make you, they want to sell you some picture that trading is super easy. That is quick money, get rich quick scheme. It doesn't work like that. That's why 90% fail, because they rely on people who portray trading as such. Now, let us go to capital erosion. I think we've talked about capital erosion, right? So let's talk about the last one, which is the opportunity cost, because I don't want to make this video too long. I want us to always have shorter videos, but straight to the point, so that you don't get bored. You get to absorb the key points, and they get to help you. So energy wasted on unnecessary trades could have been preserved for the few golden opportunities where markets align perfectly with your age. But now, because you are, there's always this habit whereby you cannot stay still and wait for the right opportunity. Like, you feel like you need to do something, because in modern society, or even in the previous generation, we have been told that you have to work, you have to do this, you have to. So anything that is against working, that you have to remain still, often looks like laziness and no reward for it. So that keeps you so occupied in the market. You wanna feel like you're doing something. You wanna feel like you're overanalyzing. Like, you just wanna keep going and going and going and going. And see, the problem with that, the more you do that, is the more you're draining. The energy that you'd have could have preserved for the few golden opportunities, which would have perfectly aligned with your age, and get you the dream and the freedom that you're looking for. So that being said, traders, these are the hidden cost of overtrading. Learn. If you have to watch this video over and over again whenever you're in trades, then just do so. As much as you keep your mind focused that their transactional cost, their psychological fatigue, risk of deleting, these things, you'll not see them if you're not even journaling. But now, since I'm talking about them, so I'm creating awareness of this overtrading issue here. So anytime you overtrade, know that there's going to be a cost, big cost on it. So that being said, I'll see you again in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe and share this with a trader or someone you feel like it's gonna be helpful to. And cheers.